Vriesea stands out among tropical bromeliads for its dramatic displays and ornamental appeal. Native to the lush, humid regions of Central and South America, this genus is famed for its striking flowering behavior. When in bloom, many Vriesea species exhibit brilliant inflorescences encircled by vibrant bracts, modified leaves that not only protect the delicate true flowers but also dazzle with their vivid hues. These bracts play a dual role by both attracting pollinators and enhancing the plant's exotic aesthetic. One of the most appealing features of Vriesea is the beauty and functionality of its trichomes. These tiny, often peltate structures densely cover the leaves, lending them a soft, velvety texture. Beyond their visual charm, the trichomes are essential to the plant's survival. They absorb moisture and nutrients directly from the air, an ingenious adaptation that allows Vriesea to thrive even in environments where soil resources are limited. Adding to its ornamental allure, the intricate interplay between the striking bracts and delicate trichomes creates a unique natural tapestry. Each plant is essentially a living artwork, where the flamboyant bracts frame the less conspicuous but critically important flowers, and the textured trichomes ensure efficient water capture. This combination not only makes Vriesea a favorite among botanists and horticulturists, but also a sought-after specimen for those looking to infuse a touch of tropical elegance into their surroundings. Vriesea plants flourish in warm, stable environments. For optimal growth, maintain temperatures between 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. They thrive under these warm conditions and tend to become stressed if the temperature drops below 13 degrees Celsius. In indoor settings, a stable climate that mimics their tropical origins is key to keeping these plants both vibrant and healthy. While these bromeliads enjoy bright light, they are particularly sensitive to direct sunlight. The ideal light conditions for Vriesea are bright, indirect, or filtered light. Placing your plant near an east or west-facing window with sheer curtains to soften the sun's rays is usually best. This setup provides enough illumination to boost growth and color without the risk of scorching the delicate leaves. Proper watering is crucial because of the unique way Vriesea plants absorb moisture. Instead of relying solely on the soil, water should be directed to the central cup created by the rosette. Here are some key points for a successful watering routine. Central cup. Fill the water reservoir with lukewarm water, but be sure to change it regularly to prevent stagnation and fungal growth. Growing medium. Keep the substrate just barely moist. Water it moderately while ensuring it is never waterlogged. Misting. Occasional misting is beneficial as it mimics the high humidity conditions of their natural habitat, helping to keep both the foliage and the plant overall healthy. As tropical natives, Vriesea plants require a consistently high humidity level. Indoor environments, which tend to be drier, can be supplemented with a humidifier or by regular misting. Consistently elevated humidity not only supports efficient nutrient uptake through the leaf trichomes, but also helps prevent drying out and leaf browning. This is particularly important during winter months or in air-conditioned spaces. Even though many Vriesea species are epiphytic, naturally growing on trees rather than in soil, the potting mix you choose plays a critical role when cultivating them indoors. A well-draining substrate is essential. Typically, a formulating mix such as a bromeliad or orchid potting medium works best. This mix is light, rich in organic material, and aids in mimicking the aerial root's natural environment. Adding perlite, bark, or coarse sand further improves drainage, ensuring that excess moisture can escape and reducing the likelihood of root rot. Vriesea do not require heavy feeding. Their efficient absorption of nutrients through their trichomes means that they only need a light feeding from time to time. Feed Vriesea with a liquid fertilizer once or twice a year in the spring and summer. Over-fertilizing can lead to salt buildup on the foliage, potentially causing burn or discoloration, so moderation is key. Propagation of Vriesea is typically achieved through the production of offsets or pups. These secondary plantlets grow at the base of the main plant. Once they develop a few solid leaves and reach a manageable size, they can be carefully separated from the parent plant and potted individually. This division not only regenerates the plant but also allows you to share or expand your collection. Though generally hardy, Vriesea plants can occasionally suffer from issues if their care needs are not met. Overwatering, especially in the central cup, can lead to fungal or bacterial growth. Regularly refreshing the water and ensuring proper drainage in the soil helps prevent these issues. Persistently moist or waterlogged soil can damage the limited root system, leading to rot. Exposure to direct sunlight may scorch the leaves, resulting in visible burn spots and faded colors. Be on the lookout for pests like mealybugs or scale insects, which can settle into the folds of the leaves. Prompt removal through gentle cleaning or appropriate treatment is essential. Yellowing of the leaves can indicate nutrient deficiencies or inconsistent watering patterns. The lack of flowering in Vriesea may be due to insufficient light, improper nutrition, or inadequate moisture. To encourage flowering, provide appropriate light and moisture conditions and use specialized fertilizers designed for blooming. The drying of Vriesea leaf tips can result from dry air or insufficient watering. To resolve this issue, increase humidity and establish a proper watering schedule. If the leaves have lost their color, it is likely due to inadequate light or poor nutrition. If the leaves turn yellow and brown spots appear on their underside, the cause is insect damage. Spray the plant with insecticide once a week to control the infestation. Wrinkling and curling of the leaves may be caused by very low temperatures or improper watering practices. To address this problem, move the plant to a location with a suitable temperature and ensure appropriate watering.